Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. I'm here at my 2007 Volkswagen Golf, but before we start, can I just say something? Dear Volkswagen, you're one of the best driver-oriented cars in the market. The best balance of performance, power, and comfort compared to all other cars that I've driven. But why can't you give me a cup holder? Where should I put my bottled water? I know it's not just me, but a cup holder is now a necessity to every commuter. So going back, let's put in a cup holder. So I bought this on eBay. There are also a lot of this on Amazon. There is a blank panel just above the radio where you can install this cup holder mechanism. The best tool to remove the blank panel is with the use of a removal tool set. But if you don't have that, a flathead screwdriver would do. Simply slide the screwdriver on the side of the blank panel and release the locking tabs. Then slide the cup holder mechanism on the empty slot. Just like this. And there you have it. It just automatically opened up. Now I can test my newly installed cup holder with my very special bottled water. See if it works. Voila! It worked! Now I hope it helped. By installing my new cup holder, you get the hang of doing it on your own. Thank you for watching How to Helen, and see you in the next video. Bye! Properly installed blah 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 blah. Then slide the cup holder mechanism on the empty slot. Okay, hindi ko maslide. Wow. That is so dirty.